Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're exploring the best voice control robot vacuum designed to make home cleaning effortless and stress-free. Meet the Larisar L6 Pro voice control robot vacuum, a smart cleaning solution built for modern homes. Let's get started. Product features: powerful 4000 PA suction. The Larisar L6 Pro delivers strong 4000 PA suction, easily lifting dust, dirt, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets for a deeper, more effective clean. Vacuum, sweep, and mop in one. This robot combines vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping in one device, allowing you to clean floors faster while reducing daily cleaning time and effort. Ultra slim 7.6 centimeter design. With a slim 7.6 centimeter height, the Larisar L6 Pro easily cleans under beds, sofas, and furniture, reaching hidden dust areas that traditional vacuums miss. Long 150-minute battery life. The extended 150-minute runtime covers large spaces in one session, making it ideal for apartments and homes without frequent recharging. Auto recharge and resume. When the battery runs low, the robot automatically returns to its charging dock and resumes cleaning once powered up, ensuring uninterrupted performance. Voice, app, and remote control. Control the Larisar L6 Pro using Alexa, Google Home, mobile app, or remote, giving you flexibility and hands-free convenience anytime. Smart carpet detection. The automatic carpet recognition feature increases suction on carpets, ensuring deeper cleaning while optimizing performance on hard floors. Pros: strong 4000 PA suction for deep cleaning. Slim design reaches tight spaces. Vacuum and mop at the same time. Long battery life with auto recharge. Multiple control options including voice. Cons: mopping is suitable for light stains only. App setup may take a few minutes for first-time users. Final thoughts. The Larisar L6 Pro voice control robot vacuum is an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify daily cleaning. With powerful suction, smart controls, and an ultra-slim design, it handles dust, pet hair, and everyday messes effortlessly. Whether you're busy, have pets, or want a smarter home, this robot vacuum delivers convenience and consistent results. Want effortless cleaning at the sound of your voice? Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more smart home solutions.